Hey beautiful people, I hope you had a great Diwali and today is Bhai Dooj. So a very happy Bhai Dooj to all the sisters who have brothers. Yeah. So today is Monday and I'm going to be talking about makeup. Why late post? Because व्रत है ना आज, तो खा के पी के भी एनर्जी ड्रेन्ड आउट. साइकोलॉजिकल असर ऑफ व्रत ऑन माई brain. Anyway, so no, I won't be doing the makeup tutorials, and instead I'll just be talking about the basics of the makeup, which is like more essential than the makeup itself, or I should say the first step towards the makeup. So I'll be talking more about the products and how to use them. All right, so one product at a time, one feature at a time. ठीक है. मेरी फेस देखो कितना पेल लग रहा है because of the व्रत. Okay, so first of all I'm going to be talking about the foundation. Foundation means what we use for the face as a base. ओके तो किसी भी चीज़ का, इवन लाइक एग्जांपल एक बिल्डिंग है, अगर उसका बेस या फाउंडेशन ही सही नहीं होगा तो बाद में आप उसका स्ट्रक्चर कितना भी अच्छा बना दो, आई मीन इट्स पॉइंटलेस. सेम वे the base or the foundation is very important, and if that is incorrect, then no matter how good your makeup is, the eye makeup or the lips or whatever, it will not give you the right look. All right, so first of all, like what are the types of foundations? Like there are like thousands of variety available in the market, so let us categorize. So the types of foundations is liquid foundation, okay, and cream foundation, powder foundation, mousse, BB cream. All right, so in liquid foundation we have two types, okay. So one is just liquid foundation, one is liquid powder foundation. Liquid foundation is more largely used, ठीक है, and it is most suitable for normal to combination to dry skin. It gives a luminous finish, ठीक है, and it is very light, okay. It gives medium to light coverage. All right, so it is important that you use concealer whenever you use this foundation. I mean, if you are going for parties or stuff, or even otherwise, it's good to use a concealer with a liquid foundation. And okay, I'll be talking about concealers, color correctors, contouring in my next video. All right, so okay, and the liquid powder foundation is उसमें थोड़ा सा matte finish आता है. It is more suitable for the summers. The liquid foundation, because it has a luminous finish, it is better for the winters, and whereas the powder liquid is better for the summers. So liquid powder foundation is more suitable for oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin. Yes, okay, yeah. So I forgot to mention that whether it is preparing for the base or whether it is applying the base, you first have to make sure what is your skin type, right? Skin type, we have dry, normal, combination, oily, sensitive, acne prone. So I'm sure all of you know what your skin type is, Henna. Okay, so the next is cream foundation. Cream foundation is more suitable for normal to dry skin or combination skin. Cream foundation again is of two types. One आता है with glossy finish, another आता है with matte finish, ठीक है. So like I have oily skin. If I use the cream foundation with the glossy finish, my pores will get enlarged while the makeup is on and it will just run down, ठीक है. Whereas if I use the cream foundation with the matte finish, it gives me a beautiful finish. So cream foundation gives us the maximum coverage, and here we can skip the concealer, okay. Yes, it is enough by itself, and it is most suitable for weddings, parties, functions. All right. And the next is the powder foundation or the cake foundation. I personally use the cake foundation. Okay, this can be used dry as well as wet. All right, so when you so this is like most suitable for the oily skin because it gives a very matte finish, very natural finish. Okay, okay, wet and dry. So when it is dry, it can be used like a compact powder, like just for your touch-ups or just to set your makeup. You can use it that way also. Yeah. And now the next is mousse. Mousse is ultimate. It is like very light on the skin, and yes, it is available for all skin types. Next is BB cream. BB cream is also a wonderful product. It is best suitable for daily use. Okay, and it has SPF, primer, moisturizer, thoda sa coverage for the redness, and it has a foundation. मतलब it is all in one. तो अगर आपको daily makeup लगाना है, whether you are college going or whether you are working, so it is really good for that. It gives a coverage and yet it is a no makeup look and very safe for daily use. So I repeat, liquid foundation is good for day wear, yes, cream foundation for night wear, and more or less all the foundations, all the types of foundations are available in all skin types. Okay, cream foundation with the glossy finish, strict no for oily skin. BB cream also you get for all skin types. Mousse also, yes, I mean it is mostly suitable for all skin types. The mousse is a finish by itself and it is ideal for all skin types. Okay, so now that was the types of foundation. Now what shade of foundation? One shade will not go for all, right? So you have hazaro shades available, all right, and you will get one which matches your skin. It has to match your skin perfectly. Now how do you check that? Either this part of your wrist or your jawline. ठीक है, तो that is the shade or the skin tone. Before that you have to know the undertone of your skin. What is undertone? Undertone बोले तो we have एक कूल अंडरटोन होता है, एक वार्म अंडरटोन होता है और एक न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन होता है. कूल अंडरटोन बोले तो मोस्टली येलोइश बेस, वार्म अंडरटोन बोले तो मोस्टली रेडिश बेस, न्यूट्रल कोई भी चलेगा. ठीक है. How do you check that? Okay, so skin tone, it might change with age or with climatic conditions. कभी कभी हम slightly tan हो जाते हैं, so that is the skin tone which changes, but the undertone will never change. It always remains the same. Now how do you decide your undertone? Okay, again ये जो veins होती हैं, मुझे मेरी तो नहीं दिख रही है, so the veins, if they are more bluish or purplish, okay, that is the cool undertone. ठीक है, like आपका skin ज़्यादा pinkish है, example, so that's a cool undertone. And अगर ये greenish होती हैं तो it's a warm undertone, और अगर it's not much visible, then it's a neutral undertone. ठीक है. Second check test, more simpler. अगर आपके ऊपर सारे कूल कलर्स सूट करते हैं, कूल बोले तो लाइक पेस्टल कलर्स और या लाइक ब्लूज, पिंक्स, हाँ, सो देन यू कम इन द कूल अंडरटोन. अगर आपको सारे वार्म कलर्स सूट करते हैं लाइक ब्राउन, ग्रीन, रेड, तो यू कम अंडर द वार्म अंडरटोन. या द प्रीवियस वन वाज द कूल अंडरटोन, दिस इज द वार्म अंडरटोन. एंड अगर आपके ऊपर सारे कलर्स सूट करते हैं, अगेन दैट इज़ अ न्यूट्रल वन. ऑल राइट. सिमिलरली अगर आपके ऊपर सिल्वर ज्वेलरी ज़्यादा सूट करती है, इट्स अ कूल अंडरटोन. गोल्ड ज़्यादा सूट करती है, इट्स अ वार्म अंडरटोन. इफ़ बोथ सूट यू, इट्स अ न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन. लकीली फॉर मी, आई फॉल अंडर द न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन, सो दैट ऑफ कोर्स यू नो बेस्ट. एंड वैसे भी ना, अगर हमें confusion है या we are not very sure what to buy, I mean, फिकर not, if you go to any beauty store or even a mall, so the sales girls behind the counters, they are really helpful and they can guide you very well. And you can try different products, yes, and you can decide for yourself. But yes, it is very important to choose the right अंडरटोन, बिकॉज अगर आपने वॉर्म पे कूल लगा दिया या कूल पे वॉर्म लगा दिया ना, तो वो थोड़े टाइम के बाद ग्रेश हो जाता है, मतलब या ब्लैकिश ग्रेश whatever, मतलब बहुत ही ख़राब लगता है. सो वी कैन नॉट प्ले विद दैट, यू कैन नॉट मेस विद दैट. ऑल राइट, सो मेक श्योर you choose the right tone and the right shade. Okay, so that was about that. Now how to apply the foundation. Okay, so हम वीडियोस में देखते हैं स्पॉन्जेस और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स और ब्रशेस यूज़ किए जाते हैं, ठीक है. But trust me, best way to apply your foundation is with your fingertips. Okay, why? Because जो warmth होता है fingertips का, उससे वो बहुत अच्छे से blend होता है. It is very important that your makeup it blends into your skin, sinks or sets into your skin, and that is best done with fingertips. Also, we need to use minimum product, ठीक है. तो कई बार जब हम ये टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं मेकअप अप्लाई करने के लिए, वी मे एंड अप यूजिंग ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट विच विल रिजल्ट इन अ केकी लुक एंड लेटर इट मे वीप बहने लगेगा. तो okay, in case you are interested in using the brush, make sure it is a very high quality brush, otherwise it leaves strokes. Okay, वो strokes दिखते हैं और आप उसको blend नहीं कर पाते हो, ठीक है. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो एक फ्लैट स्पंज की तरह होता है, या फिर it's shaped like this, like a bell probably. So in that case you have to go dab 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 dab. You can't go rub 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 rub. No, in any case, whether it is fingers or brush or the blender, okay, you have to go area by area, थोड़ा सा डैब किया और उसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड किया, ठीक है. सो दैट इज़ हाउ यू अप्लाई द बेस और द फाउंडेशन. सो व्हाट फाउंडेशन डू आई यूज़ फॉर माई सेल्फ. ओके, सबसे ज़्यादा मैं यूज़ करती हूँ द पाउडर और द केक फाउंडेशन, ठीक है. तो उसमें बिकॉज आई हैव एन ऑयली स्किन एंड दैट आई रियली लाइक द फिनिश ऑफ दैट. मतलब जब आप वो लगाते हो तो काफ़ी ड्राई या ड्राई दिखता है, but when it sets in, it gives a beautiful look and it lasts for hours. So when it is daytime, I prefer to use that. It really absorbs the oil in the skin. मतलब generally the forehead, the nose, it tends to get oily after some time, so this kind of controls that. Okay, and yes, I have a cream foundation which has a matte finish, and I use that for the weddings or the parties. And I always apply with my fingertips the cream foundation or the liquid foundation that suits me also. So it depends mostly upon my mood, or as I told you, the liquid foundation is more suitable for the daytime. Okay, so the cake foundation, coming back to the cake foundation, उसको हम it's very tricky उसका application. Okay, I mean you really have to learn how to do that. Okay, so that cannot be applied with fingers. उसको अप्लाई करने के लिए आपको ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ करना होता है, डैम्प करके अच्छे से उसको डैम्प कर लेते हैं और केक पे रब करके हम लगाते हैं, ठीक है. सो अगर वो ठीक से नहीं लगेगा तो वो पैटी हो जाएगा, अगर अच्छी क्वालिटी का नहीं होगा तो क्रैक हो जाएगा और बहुत बुरी तरीके से क्रैक हो जाएगा. सो अनलेस यू आर वेरी गुड एट यूजिंग दैट, यू कैन स्किप द केक फाउंडेशन. ओके, और यू कैन यूज़ इट ड्राई फॉर्म एज आई टोल्ड यू फॉर योर टचअप्स. मतलब आप काफ़ी घंटे अगर बाहर रहते हो तो वो प्रेस्ड पाउडर या फिर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर या फिर ये केक फाउंडेशन आपको अच्छा रहता है फॉर द टचअप्स. ऑल राइट, so this was about the base or the foundation, and as I told you earlier, in the next video I'll be covering up about the concealers, contourings, and the color correctors. I hope this video was really helpful. See ya.